Matt, I'm N.R.T. And on today's video, we'll be topping off this EQ Systems jack reservoir with fluid. It's a little low, it's been leaking. This guy right here was leaking pretty bad, but I got a solenoid on the way for him. But as you can see, the tank's pretty low, so I'm going to top him off. This is what you use in these systems. It's basically automatic transmission fluid. You do not use hydraulic fluid in these systems. This one has tons of air in the front two jacks, so I'm going to go ahead and top him off. There, got my little 12-volt pump. We'll clean out the line. There we go. That's good. Now we go over to here. Put that in there like that. We'll do that. There. I'll fill up a little more than what is needed. It looks like right here you pull this out, it's supposed to be at the bottom level. But I'm going to fill up just a little more because there it was leaking a bunch and need to get the air out of the jacks. Yeah, you got to have one of these pumps to do this because there's no way to get a gallon tilted or even a quart really. A little rubber grommet, maybe? Got a funnel in there, maybe, but. Moved it so it wasn't in the grass. So I'm gonna let this fill up and I'll be back. Alright guys, so I got it all filled up. I gotta wait till the solenoid's here, but I've been bleeding the front jacks because the front jacks have tons of air. The back ones are good, just the front ones. And the solenoid that's off goes to this one right here in the back. So I got it filled. I wasn't paying attention, I overfilled a little, but I'm bleeding all the air out of the system and I'm doing it by the EQ Systems app on my phone. So, yeah. Alright guys, so I want to thank everyone for stopping by, and hopefully I help you all if you had a problem with your EQ systems on your RV or motorhome or trailer. So yeah, catch you on the next one. Thanks for stopping by, everyone.